Hey, it's Griffin. Today I'm going to show you how to scrape Indeed job postings. This actor will help you scrape position names, salaries, company information, ratings, and much more. To do this, we'll use the Indeed API from the Apify Store. Whenever you're ready, go to the store, find the Indeed scraper, and click Try for Free. You'll be taken to our sign-up page where you would be asked to create an Apify account. Don't worry though, it's free and no credit card is required. Now you'll land on the Indeed Job Scrapers setup page. You have the option to set the input via our user-friendly UI or via JSON. Let's go with the manual view. To set up this scraper, we'll have to give it a position or a keyword and a location. A similar flow as if you were browsing the Indeed website. For our demo, let's search for a social media manager. We can set the country to United States and specify the location by inputting New York. Now just choose how many results you want. Let's go with 100 results. Next, we can fine-tune the scrape by enabling parameters such as company details, which will give you in-depth information on the employer. Also, Indeed is known to show the same listing multiple times within the results page. You can prevent getting duplicate postings by turning on the unique items toggle in the scraper. You can also choose to get external links for applying in case the hiring process is hosted outside of Indeed. And with that, our input set up. There's also another way that you can get your results by inputting a direct URL of a search results page, company profile, or category. Simply copy it over from Indeed or upload multiple in bulk via a text file. Just like with the former input, you can set the maximum amount of results per each URL. We're, however, using the search term method, so we'll leave these empty. Before running your actor, we recommend saving your Indeed web scraper configuration and creating a task. This can come in handy if you want to schedule or integrate your actor with other tools in the future, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. With everything set up, simply hit Start to kick it off. You can watch your results appear in the overview or switch to the log tab if you want to see more details about the run. After the run is finished, you can export your results in various formats such as JSON, CSV, or an HTML table, and decide which fields to include or exclude. Then you can download your dataset file. If you want to automate your workflow even further, you can schedule your Indeed job scrapers to run at regular intervals. To do this, choose your task and hit Schedule. You can then specify how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect the scraper to other cloud services such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. Maybe you're wondering, how much does this all cost? This actor has a pay-per-result pricing schema where an amount is deducted from your Apify balance based on the number of results. But don't forget that Apify gives you $5 in free credits every month. That way you can scrape a large amount of data at no cost. That's all for now. We'd love to hear your feedback on the Indeed scraper. Remember, if you encounter any complications, please don't hesitate to report them to the actor developer through the Issues tab in the Apify console. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long. Thanks for all the likes.